Drywall screws, what to know before you buy. Screws intended for construction generally range from 1 inch to 8 inches long. The reason is that building materials can have a wide range of thicknesses, from sheet metal to 4x4 posts and even thicker. Not so with drywall. Coarse thread drywall screws. Gauge refers to the diameter of the drywall screw. In most cases, you will be using either number 6 or number 8 drywall screws. Keep in mind that as gauge numbers increase, the screw becomes larger in diameter. So, a number 6 drywall screw would be thinner than a number 8 drywall screw. While this may seem evident, many materials related to home construction work in the opposite direction. For example, smaller number sandpaper grits are actually coarser than grits with higher numbers. The main purpose for drywall screws is securing full sheets of drywall, usually 4 foot by 8 foot for do-it-yourselfers, or partial sheets of drywall to either wood or metal studs. Estimating how many drywall screws to buy can be frustrating because you'll need to drive a set number of screws for the project, yet drywall screws are often sold by weight. Quantity is never guaranteed when screws are sold per pound, but there are close estimates. As a do-it-yourselfer or any type of casual drywall installer, you will not need a dedicated drywall screw gun. A drywall screw gun is a specialty tool used for hanging drywall. It is a more compact, lighter, and lower torque tool than most cordless drills. While screw guns do an excellent job of driving drywall screws, they have such limited functionality for homeowners that it is unnecessary to purchase them. For most work involving 1/2 inch drywall installed on wood studs, the phosphate-coated, coarse thread 1 1/4 inch or 1 5/8 inch drywall screw does a reliable job. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.